Buddy's Garden Day.
Buddy was a gentle old dog who lived in a cozy countryside village. Every morning, he'd go out into the garden with his owner, Mr. Harvey, an elderly man who had spent years caring for this beautiful patch of land. The garden was filled with blooming flowers, towering trees, and little paths where Buddy loved to wander. For Buddy, the garden was his favorite place in the world. He especially enjoyed rolling in the soft grass or sniffing the flowers while Mr. Harvey tended to the plants. One morning, Buddy noticed a tiny green sprout in the middle of the garden. It was small and delicate, just beginning to push through the earth. Buddy was curious, so he carefully sniffed around it, wondering what kind of flower it would become. Day by day, he returned to the little sprout, watching it grow taller and stronger, and soon it became part of his daily garden routine. As the days passed, Buddy would sit beside the sprout, almost as if he were guarding it. He'd lie there peacefully, feeling the warmth of the sun and the gentle breeze as the sprout slowly transformed into a beautiful, golden sunflower. Buddy was proud, as if he had helped it grow just by being there. Mr. Harvey noticed Buddy's fondness for the sunflower and placed a small bench nearby so he could sit with Buddy and enjoy the view. The two of them would spend quiet afternoons there, watching bees and butterflies dance around the sunflower, feeling content in each other's company. Buddy's garden day was simple, but it brought him joy and comfort. For him, the sunflower had become a little friend, a reminder that sometimes happiness is found in the smallest things. The garden, with its peaceful beauty, continued to be a place where Buddy and Mr. Harvey could share quiet, meaningful moments together.